In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to total columns in Google Sheets. If you've been managing numbers and data in Google Sheets, you know how essential it is to find the sum of a column quickly and efficiently. There are a couple of methods to achieve this, which we're going to explore in detail today, using simple math functions and Google Sheets' powerful sum function. Let's begin with the first method, using simple math functions. Say we have some data in our column from B3 to B6, and we want our total to appear in cell B7. First, click on cell B7, where you wish to display the total. Now, type an equals sign, as this signifies to Google Sheets that you're entering a formula. Next, click on cell B3, the first cell you want to add. After selecting B3, type a plus sign. Continue this process for each subsequent cell you want to add to your total. So, you would click on B4, add a plus sign, then B5, and another plus sign, finally adding B6. Once you've included all desired cells in your formula, simply press Enter. Voila! Your total should now appear in B7. The beauty of this method is that the total updates automatically whenever there is a change to the values in the cells you've included. However, this approach can become quite tedious, especially if you're dealing with a large data set or a long column. This brings us to our second, more efficient method, leveraging the sum function. Start by clicking on the cell where you want the total to be displayed, in this case, again, B7. Type an equal sign, then type sum, followed by an open parenthesis. Now, click on the first cell in the range you want to add. You can then drag the cursor down to the last cell in your range, B3 through B6 in our example. After selecting your range, close the parenthesis and press Enter. One of the advantages of using the sum function is that it elegantly handles potential issues with non-numeric values in your column. For instance, if there's a text entry among your numbers, trying to add it up using simple math will result in an error. The sum function, however, is smart enough to bypass these non-numeric entries and still provide you with a correct total by adding only the applicable numerical values it identifies. And there you have it, two straightforward yet effective ways to total columns in Google Sheets. Whether you're going for a hands-on approach with simple math functions or a streamlined method using the sum function, Google Sheets offers a flexible array of options to make your data management tasks more efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.